My name is Hans van Dijk. I am responsible for the support organization in Micro Focus, something that we do for our customers, 40,000 of them. And we do that with a very large team of roughly 1,000 engineers helping our customers over the globe. I'm based myself in Europe, in the Netherlands, but the team is actually based all over the world and they make it work for you. Now, if you take a look at what we do, it's actually focused around a couple of activities. It is to drive product improvements and innovation that we do for the products, capturing your information, making sure that R&D is able to improve the quality and the business value of the product for you. It's also making sure that you have business continuity. If for whatever reason your system breaks down, we are there to help you and fix the issues. And we do that on a continuous way, even in the weekend. Third part, and that is important if you have a larger environment or require specific assistance, our professional services team and our premium services team are there to help you out and make sure they are able to assist you with the information you have of your environment already. That allows us to act much swifter, much faster than we would do with the standard teams. But everyone is able to help you and get you to the solutions that you need. And finally, a very important part is the knowledge service part. And actually, that brings me to the next slide, because the proactive support is a journey that we're currently working on. It is how you find a solution for your issue even before you have to open a ticket. We provide you with the knowledge that is available, and we make that searchable through Google search so that you can immediately find the information you needed and in the moment that you need it. Second part is the how to and how to fix videos. We capture them and we make them available on YouTube, and they allow you to see how you can actually make best use of the product, either by increasing the business value for you or by fixing a defect that you have and making sure that you can use the product in the most proficient way. We also help out in the communities. The community sites that we have on our websites, they allow you and they allow our customers to connect to each other. And we help out and answer questions that are answered in the communities as well. And the final part we are working on in our journey is actually what we do in the self-service and automation part, the next step of our proactive support journey. It is how we identify and fix issues by looking at your log files, automating the searches that we have, and providing you the answers, and hopefully in the future, even without our direct involvement, so uploading your log files and making sure that you can find a fix for your problem without even having to interact with the customer support organization. Now, there is much that we can tell you about that, and feel free to reach out to us. You can reach out to me directly, or you can reach out to us and my team on the Universe Meeting Zone. Please book meetings with us. We're there to help you. And don't forget to visit us in the Explorer Zone. Thank you.
Get social with us. Twitter, LinkedIn, Get Social, Micro Focus Universe.